Welcome and welcome everybody to Mark's Master Mechanical Training, where your wisdom to choose has brought you to a place where you just can't lose. I'm Mark, aka Uncle Roadrunner. So, here's my little disclaimer. We cuss, we sing, we don't get sensitive about anything. We listen to rock and roll, and we're politically incorrect. We might be sexist, and we're very direct. That being said, if you're over 18, come for a ride. I'm going to give you an instructional on how to do this over here, tire change. So, we're doing a tube change on a e-bike, regular bike, whatever. They're basically the same as far as how they come apart and go back together. Even a motorcycle is the same principle. So, that being said, let's get to it. Switch angles.